No, join back.
So, how much is he paying you?
I can't tell you that.
Why not?
Dude,
I need to know so I can offer more than he is.
Stop being greedy with your information and tell us all.
Like, you know, I have to know how much he's paying you so I can pay you more, right?
No.
Yeah.
Isn't that how it works?
Why are you denying the offer, man? Like, I don't even get hired, and you're denying like an actual payment.
Jack, do you know how often I get asked?
You know how often I don't get asked?
I swear, Spook.
Oh, get good.
Always.
Because, like, I mean, Spook, you know my ability to pay. You know, I can
But no.
offer a good amount. Okay.
Hey, man.
No.
I'm being trolled right now.
You are.
No, you're being racial.
Trolled and ratioed at the same time.
You got beat to the prize, man. It's alright.
I has
Next
installed on my
time.
C drive. Guyser.com. I must log in. So I have all my old stuff.
Bro, I'm so smart. I'm so smart. I'm too good.
Someone made a berserk thing.
But I really got to
Look
man
at
it.
that.
Yeah, why you treat me like a bandit? If you want it, I'ma end it. Yeah, but you really couldn't stand it. Oh, will I find true love?
Dude was asking me a
Realize you dealing with a thug. A nigga always at it wrong. Don't know
Our
who to
SCP games still popping? Like, what's going on? What's with them nowadays?
Oh, actually, yeah. So recently, one of the biggest sites, the owner had a breakdown and just completely shut the whole thing down.
What? You had a breakdown and shut it down.
Yeah.
Shut your brain down. Watch that.
Pretend on my bitch because, yes. Pretend just to get out of cuz, yeah.
Maybe he was just dealing with the typical ownership where people are just dealing with the typical ownership where people are just dealing.
Maybe after request, I'll like hire like a real dev team and make like a real SCP game. Maybe I'll do that.
Real.
Maybe I'll hire some real developers. Maybe I'll hire some real.
I'm definitely real.
Actually, we have some pretty good scripts that
Bro,
I just don't
Jack,
think you're on that level.
you had a breakdown and
It's
shut
like
it down.
nothing against you, Spook, but I just don't think you're on that
Fire,
level.
bro.
Damn, speak. You're just not good enough.
Oh, thank you. I don't have to deal with you anymore.
Yeah, I'm better than you, Spirit. Like, imagine.
I'm about to hire Pop Tart Noah to make this SCP game and shit. It's
Nah,
gonna be
bro.
crazy.
Spook made real time face tracing in Roblox Studio. So you know I'm gonna
Dude, that shit was really easy.
Azure,
What?
Azure, switch your UC real quick.
That was
That was
one
easy.
night I worked
What?
on that. Yeah.
Switch your UC real quick.
Okay.
No, I don't go.
Well,
No, he's
No, it's
seducing him. He's
you know what,
seducing
man? No, I'm not even gonna say it.
Okay.
What does Azure do for Pet Simulator? He a scripter?
Who?
Azure.
Azure, no, he's the owner of a game called Loot Quest.
Booty quest.
It used to be popular. No,
If Roblox adds age restriction on making the game, Booty Quest.
Booty quest.
Oh, and the Kondo games, but don't worry about that.
Bro, the condo games gotta stop, bro.
Come on, Chewy, let's do a tycoon.
I'm good on that.
Imagine
bro.
making a tycoon in 2022. LLLLL.
Oh,
Plus
easy
ratio.
money, bro. Easy
I mean, I
money.
was in a
No,
tycoon,
that's
and then the
that's hard
fucking
work.
owner dipped.
That's hard work, man. I don't got time.
Tycoon's not hard work, bro. You don't have to put that much work in it.
Yes, you do.
Except
Unless you
when
want to
make
use
a
a kit.
fishing system.
So I can give you a little kit. That be gonna be laggy. You put the little buttons, like 60 Game Pass buttons on the side of the screen. Yeah.
You
Could
don't
do
have
that.
to do all that, bro.
Alright, I need to download 4,300 Spotify songs. I need to download Visual
Just
Studio.
one tycoon. There's a Demon Slayer tycoon.
Why are you
and that's
downloading,
pretty
bro?
good.
Like, what's going on?
Hello.
I
do you know
factor
how
it
to
through
make
my
a boat
computer.
in Blender? Bro, my name has Halu in it. Why would I know how to make a boat?
Say yes and ask him how much he's paying. And then if he's paying a lot, send him my way.
Bro, I am actually done with this.
Wait, is this dude in the VC, bro? Hold up. Yeah, he is in the VC. He's saying,
What is
nah,
what is this?
bro. Look at his about me, bro. I'm not helping you with nothing.
Okay. Dude, why wouldn't you work with that prime alpha? 48-year-old alpha male. I gotta take a piss.
That's crazy.
Hey, yo, Spook. I didn't notice you joined.
I joined on my phone because I was the one in my bed, and then I had got up and had a shower.
Bro, you set me up, bro.
Well, he had the horrible role, so I was like, yeah, okay. And I didn't even know if he was horrible or not.
Nah,
Set me up,
he's
man.
making a parkour game, bro.
Spook,
Oh,
how many
ball
people
game, what
ask
the
you to
fuck?
script for them per day?
I was saying
Alright,
no to
alright.
that.
Custom physics.
Oh, my bad.
Don't worry.
Custom physics. Sounds like hard work.
Yeah, you need a physics engineer
is
to do a
not bad.
parkour game.
Exactly. That's what I'm doing, Spook.
Sounds like work. I was
How you like it so far?
Come on, man. Please. I don't even know why that was there. Bro, I don't know Blender. Stop DMing me.
Wait, is that my...
You're getting trolled, bruh.
Blender isn't hard.
I don't know Blender. I don't
My
use
cock
that.
is hard.
Bro, I'm a
Hey,
script
I
guy
would never
and I know
open
how
Blender
to
in my life.
animate and model in Blender. Like,
Dude, okay, so you know how you've got your apps on your home screen, right? So in this app called Duo Mobile Verification, it's like a passcode thing for double authentication. I can see the apps that are burnt into my screen. So like, 'cause I'd take my phone to work and put in the sun, and like my phone would be on with the apps on screen. It's burnt
Bro.
into my screen, and I can just see them all.
I've done that, except it was with like it was with YouTube open, and and it was some like really dumb thumbnail that was just burnt onto my phone screen for like a week.
Yes.
I hated it. Actually, no, I didn't hate it. It was actually very funny, and I loved it.
Bro, how do you like fucking show attachments?
Oh, I unticked it. No. Okay.
How do you show attachments like
That's a visible property, like dot visible. Inside is yeah.
22180.
Sounds like you're making like a swampy build. Hold on.
Sure.
Let me go find a
Sure.
reference image.
Why the fuck is that not showing? Show.
position?
What? Show. Why won't you show? There we go.
I'm about to just take the 15% on this game with 1K players and just go by my day.
You're actually getting offers, bro, with like an actual game.
I actually made the game, but I quit working on it, and other people started owning it. So.
Oh my god, my icons are getting so... Why is there so many? Shouldn't G-Hub not open on startup?
Bro, it's easy to get offers. You don't even need offers, bro. Just make your own game. Don't be too advanced, and you'll finish.
I can't script, bro.
I'm talking about...
Then learn scripting, bro. I know a few YouTubers that can help you.
Yeah.
I thought that was Jig talking.
Oh my god, Alvin blocks?
Bro, you can start with Alvin blocks, man.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, bro. Start with Alvin
Just
blocks.
just
Move up
don't
my way.
start with his don't start with his older videos, bro. Don't do his older videos. They're kind of.
Please don't start with album boss, bro. You
Why?
gonna become one of
What's
the.
wrong with his older
You gonna be
videos?
in one of the worst states that scripters can ever be in for like a long time.
I think the only reason why I'm gonna learn his videos is like to understand where everything is in studios. That's the main reason why I wanna like.
Oh yeah, you can
Bro, I
just
seen
find
someone learning
tutorial
from
videos
album
for it.
blocks, bro. They were trying to fire a bindable from the client. So
Wait, you can't do that.
Yeah,
You
why would
can
you
do
say
it
it,
that?
only
but
works on
it's
the
not
client.
a remote event or remote function,
Yeah.
which is supposed to communicate with the server.
It's useful for other stuff, but probably not what he was trying to do.
Wait, abandoned events. I don't even understand how to use it. Like I've never used it before.
So bindable events are local, meaning that if the server fires it, only the server can have an event connected up to it. Or if the client fires it, then only another client script or module can set up an event for it. But
Oh,
for bindable events, you do .event connect function.
and I
Then
can
all
use
the other
that
ones are the
across
post.
multiple scripts.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bindable equals L.
How do I
Usually,
fire it then? If I create a
just do
bindable.
bindable event colon fire, like calling a function, but you add fire in between.
Yeah, but if I set
And then
up
you
a
post on.
bindable event variable in a server script and I go to another server script, how do I call it?
Wait for child. If it's a module script, you could probably access it in the
Oh,
variables.
it's its own thing, right? It's its own.
It's like a remote event or remote function, but
It's just like
Oh, I see. So server to server and client to client communication. Oh, that's actually might
client
be
client or
useful.
server.
I
Yeah.
prefer underscore G.
I use
I don't want
shared.
no bindable.
I use shared in modules. I only have one script for server and one script for client. At least I have there's multiple scripters working on this, so they have their own shit to do. I'm
Yes.
actually start using that.
Client equals script. Shared. What the hell is shared?
You ever played Naraka Blade?
What's that?
What?
It's a Steam game.
No.
I'll show you. Hold on. It's a hardcore PvP battle royale.
Ew. No. Ew. I hate battle
Like
royals.
the second, like I think the third week of the game release, they hosted like the month in of the game releasing, they hosted like a $3 million tournament.
Yeah, and
Damn.
they earn their money back easy.
Yeah, pretty sure it's a Chinese game.
Is it a mobile game?
No, I'm streaming it. Naraka Blade Point.
Shared and underscore G.
Trying to figure out if this is the center. Hmm.
Oh, okay. So shared is basically just underscore G. That's kind of gay.
I mean, but it's a table though. It's not just like one variable. It's a table.
Yeah, that's what underscore G is. The table.
So what's the difference? Why do they have two versions of the
Nothing.
same
There's
shit?
nothing. There's literally no difference. They're just tables. Two different tables. I don't know why. I had to look that up. I never heard of shared. That's kind of trash. Shared dot.
Hmm.
Bro, what a L.
It's
1.2k USD. What?
for a full game, bro. Like it's a lot of work, long term and shit.
Just get percent and then do a lower amount.
What does YP stand
See,
for?
most people don't finish
Uh,
their games. The most people quit mid dev, so I like to get my money up front in case they
yeah,
quit.
that's why I don't work in games.
Yeah, I would never take percent if they don't even have a game like made yet, like even halfway done. They gotta show me like they're 70% finished, bro. Like for basic systems, that's when I would like consider about taking percent. It's too much of a risk.
-1 minus slope up. Oh, why do that? Why do that?
Okay, so Teams. I need to set up Word and Outlook. VPN installed too. Wait, is that? No, that's not even correct. Oh,
Tell me why it do
I pressed
that,
change.
Spook.
Alright.
Tell me.
Bro, what's if you're in VC, whoever this guy is, no, that's not possible, man. Unless you wanna
He's
fucking
deafened.
uh
Oh no, you just say it's literally impossible without Blender. Or just say you need a 3D modeling program in some sort. He already asked me like how he needed help with it, so he DM'd me. I'm like, okay, just look at these tutorials and learn off this, and then oops, 152. What?
Ultimate.
Blender.
Bro.
Man.
This is the
Oh,
tutorial I used for my ship commission.
Yeah, I DM'd him
thing.
that video too.
I remember Spook was grinding hard to release that throwing spear thing, and then he taught me how to use a coroutine.
Oh, Trident Sim. Yeah.
Spear throwing game.
The Trident throwing.
Need to learn something, man. Just ask Spook.
Spook. If I had to,
Yeah.
I have classes right for each region and shit. Can I run a while loop in each class? Would that take a massive performance hit?
It can do. Yeah. I would have one. So if you got a region class, usually you have a region handler, and
Yeah,
then in
I
that
do.
region handler, you'd update all your classes.
But I
Every
want like
station.
each region to have its own like stuff. I don't understand
Yeah.
like
So that's what the classes are for. So you say region class dot new, and then you give it all the region data,
yeah,
and that's by itself only.
and to
That's on its own
handle
object.
weather changing and all that shit, I should do it in the handler.
Yeah. Well, that
No,
needs
I
to be
mean
in
like
that spot.
each region is its own object. My bad, not class. Yeah, same thing, I
Yeah.
guess. And I have a table keeping track of all the regions, and each region keeps track of how many players are in that region.
Wait, isn't Shed really slow?
Share is slow.
What?
Shared is slow.
Shared is
Let me
slow.
check.
Slower than underscore G.
No way.
Bro, they're all
It's
just
a
arrays. Like,
yeah, it's a table. It's an
Oh,
array.
okay, yeah, not slow, but
Can't see myself using shared, bruh. Gotta use underscore
It's
G.
can't see myself using globals either.
yeah. I can't see myself typing underscore every time I want to type a variable, bro, or call a function.
Oh
No,
no, yeah,
I
it's
just,
just
I just, I
it's
just
just
use my,
exactly underscore
I
G.
just use globals for my modules. I can't just keep requiring modules in every single script, bro. That's kind of trash.
Yeah.
That's why you have a system for it, or like a framework.
What do you mean?
You
You
have
have a
one
framework
script
so you can
that,
just require all your modules at once, and then they can access each other.
yeah.
I
Actually, I
did.
should do
I
that
need
instead
you
of
to teach
using
me how to do
shared.
that. I need you to teach me how to do that. Spook.
I should have done that shit from the start, bro. Fuck.
Okay,
Too
here,
far
let
in
me
now.
send you, I'm gonna send you Slight Nick's net tutorial, because he explains how he set up his project.
Oh, I'm never using it, bro. That shit is just
It's
unnecessary.
not too bad. I had a look at it. I
Oh,
kind
I
of do
watched
like it
that.
too.
I watched that tutorial.
Oh, wait, what?
Alright.
Continue updating, bro. I love watching people scripting and learning it.
True. Self-function set that handle player regions. Function self
man.
not run.
This is
Damn,
actually
you type
stupid.
fast.
Oh,
Oh
that's part of being a
shit.
programmer.
Fuck. Way to go. Dismissal.
That's one function.
Where is the... Oh my god, it's lagging. It's downloading all the emails. But if you search up the which I can probably find it. If you search up Roblox net and then have a look at the model for it.
Wait, but do I have to use?
Oh,
Do
here
I
it is,
have to
execution
require a
model.
module to access? Do I have to require a
Yeah.
module to
You
access
have
these
to
other modules?
you have to require a module or a module that requires the modules to access the module.
Oh, that's kind of trash.
No, it's not. You
Correct.
can just do require one module and then use that module dot whatever
Then
function
I
you
have
need.
to keep requiring it in all the other scripts. Now I gotta make
No.
variables for that.
You can put
No,
that in a
Just
global
do
variable.
Just do for underscore module script in IPairs script get descendants, and then just check if it's module script require it, and then do all
that's what
the
I did.
initialization and started stuff.
Wait, so if you do that
Yeah.
and wait.
It's you basically just still doing it. Is it Dewey?
That
You
works
don't
as a
have to change
table,
it.
right?
You don't have to change it, bro.
Yeah. So if actually I did see in your script toy, that's not how you set up classes in the region one. Oh, it is one way, but not like a actual proper way of doing it.
Oh, this? You mean like the extend thing?
Oh wait, or do you have it?
Yeah, I have a module for that.
You just replaced it with X.
Yeah, so this is the module it's requiring, and it extends off of that.
Oh, okay.
I didn't make this script. A friend of mine made it, and I just use it instead of doing the underscore index for every script.
Yeah.
I'm thinking of adding more functionality to it, but I don't know what to add.
It's so hot. Give me a sec.
Yeah, I know, quit. I'm about to turn on my aircon too. Oh, my fan's not even on. Oh, fuck. There we go. But yeah, I need to install all this. Make sure I clear these out. Mark is red. Okay, I've got everything I need now. I just need to wait for VS Code to install. Spotify is going to take years.
What are you doing actually? Why are you installing shit?
I factory reset my computer
Oh,
using USB. Yeah.
yeah.
And then I went around disabling a bunch of processes, so On launch, I start at 110 processors.
Processors? Wait, what's? How many cores do you
So if
have?
you open your task manager, I've
Uh,
got
Yeah, but
165 right now with everything open.
I have
it's a lot.
Oh my
272.
god.
Shit.
Oh, sorry.
How do I disable some of this? What's?
Okay, click startup at the top tab there. Just disable everything there.
Oh my god. And his BIOS
You
time
have to
is
do
9
right,
seconds.
sorry.
What? Bro, I've everything disabled and it takes me 24 seconds to start up
Mine's at
with the
16.
SSD. Bro, no,
Well,
I've
that's
got an
no. Did you go BIOS and enable fast boot? Because I haven't
Actually,
yet.
I've probably turned that off. I also turned it
Yeah.
off for my memory. My RAM fast boot's disabled because it just
No,
messes
fast
with
boot's what you want on.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, no, but everything just kills itself.
How do you
You know,
turn on fast boot?
Oh,
What?
this is
I just bought this
in the
PC. I don't
BIOS.
know anything about
it's
it.
in the
Don't
BIOS.
worry
You have
about
to
it.
shut down your computer.
How would I get instructions on how to do it if I shut down my computer?
Don't worry about it. You don't need it. Yours is already at 8 seconds.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
When you
How do
have
you?
fast boot, it just means like when you turn off your computer, just prepare everything for the next boot, so that way it's quicker.
Oh,
Dude, what the fuck is up with your graphics card?
oh, it's a laptop. Oh,
Yeah,
wait.
what the fuck?
I don't even know.
Look at the chart. It's just up and down, up and down.
Well, what if you got open, man? Like,
Oh, it's on auto performance,
oh,
so
no, that's a
it
laptop
spreads it.
GPU. Yeah,
Yeah.
no, it does that.
The
That's just what laptop
CPU, the
GPUs do.
CPU has an internal graphics
No.
card, and then I have a regular
Actually,
graphics
if
card
you look at
also.
your taskbar in the bottom, never mind. I don't think Windows 11 has this. But down here you can see all your things open.
Oh,
Why did they remove that? What's?
my muscles are so tense.
Oh wait, no, it's right here.
Yeah. So close
Close
like Epic
OBS. That's
Games.
why.
Close.
OBS is doing that.
I'm streaming, that's why, on YouTube.
Oh my
But
god.
yeah, no, that's why your GPU's like that. Like,
I'm gonna say the N word and get you bent.
Bro, I have one viewer, and that's me. I'm just using this for portfolios. Because I don't
What?
feel like making any projects. So every time someone asks for a portfolio, I'll just link on my YouTube, be like, I stream myself dubbing. There you go.
That's not how portfolios work.
Not that one.
It's better than nothing, at least.
No, it is not better than nothing. You're gonna find any of your work in like 8-hour streams. What?
I wonder what these do, actually. Let me ask me. Like, my friend, his name is Sage. He's like a OOP god, bro. His scripting style is Python and Roblox, basically.
What? Indents only? Huh?
Yeah, let me open one of his games real quick. Dead Winter 2. There you go. This is his script. I don't know if I should be showing this, but oh well. Let's see what you want to see. Modules. Activities. So he
Oh,
has
that's
all his modules, and then he imports them. Like,
okay. No, that's easy. That's
yeah,
nothing really special.
I guess, but like the way he does it looks really cool. His variable
It's
naming
just
and shit.
string.split, and then you find the path. If you find the path, then you just require everything under it. Boom.
DNC, bro. It looks cool to me.
Sign into VS Code. A Visual Studio, I mean. Oh my god, so many setups. I gave VS Studio. VS is installed. Where is VS?
You have Visual Studio license?
It's my university's.
Man.
And then I'm gonna go over here. Look, I copied all the files from my other computer. Oh, my old. Before I factory restored.
I mean, the screen is way smaller than the other one.
I need to
Or
find the
just-
repos folder. Repos, source, repos.
This is annoying. Gravity just doesn't work.
Imagine.
It good.
What about if I set the velocity? Like.
How much stuff is on here? 200 gigabytes. Fuck, I can't fit that.
Well, now
I'll
it
put it on
works. Oh, no, never mind. Just face through the map.
Wait, I need a PowerShell. I can do it with this. Robo. I want to copy G drive to D sorts. What were the arguments for it again? There we go. /s /copy that /move.
I'm still sweating, man. Oh my god. It's not even that hot. What's the temp?
MT.
Oh, bro, it's only 26, man. Oh.
How many threads I got? 24
Logistical cores.
Bitch.
I'm smart.
There's one more. I don't know what it was.
What?
I need one more argument. Log plus log plus colon and the file is I want that under
So
the
moving past and changing
and I think that should be and /t.
change.
Right, let's try that. Boom.
So
G. Everything from the G drive to the sort.
Itself.old info and so.
There we go. You ready for it? It's about to spam the fuck out of it.
So info.
Wait, there's still setup files here?
Hmm.
Shit. Where?
Change info. Yeah.
Oh my god, no, cancel. Delete.
Using data, using info.
I forgot about these. Oh, ooh, that's Cisco packet tracer. I need to install that. Drive.
Self.on. Weather change. New weather. Weather. Hmm. How do I want to store the available weather info? Shit. Store manager.
Power is above.
Plus the
Open up one. It should be alright. I think I did everything right. Oh, yep. Okay.
Data.
Ah, yes. Look at this guy. Check on some Spotify.
Yeah,
Dude, I'm
faster
so
set the-
annoyed. Even after my factory restore, my Bluetooth USB thing does not work. And I can't connect my headset by Bluetooth.
Imagine.
Oh, wait!
Come on.
Where I put it? My mom had this Bluetooth thing. And, I could probably use it.
Me mum.
Me mom.
Me mum.
Here it is. Yeah, let's try this. I'm gonna be so happy if this works. Why now? Oh, let me back.
Okay.
Shit, this
Only
is not
apply
settled.
gravity when velocity is
Perform
inaccurate.
activity.
There we go. This is a bit of a problem.
Lightning.
Fuck, it didn't work.
Why am I bouncing?
Nice physics engine. Have you ever considered making it not bounce?
Yeah, no, I know how to fix that. Else self dot velocity. You gotta. Oh, yeah. times equals vector 3 dot. No, actually, that's a horrible idea. No,
Go
actually,
back.
that's a. No, I don't want to do that. Self dot. Oh no. Because it's not the point of raw stick anymore. No. There we go.
Client request client server remote.
How do I do it here? Movement. Slope. Slope angle times. Yeah. Yeah.
And I'm back. I need to download Roblox too.
Ew, bro, I'm so sweaty. Hey, Spook, guess what?
Hmm?
I'm so buff and hot and sexy. Did you know that?
I'm so skinny and hot. Hmm. Stick arms.
Yeah, I love those stick fanboys.
Yank. Somebody snip that. Expose them.
What's everyone muted?
I don't even know.
Oh. Yes, I love how there's 4 people watching a PowerShell menu. Slowly rising in percent from 96% to copy a cracked version of Adobe Photoshop. So where's Camtasia cracked?
I'm fucking stuck, bro. I don't know what to do here. Wait. Shit's weird, bro.
Why bouncy like that?
Oh my god. It's
How
got
do I
multi-threading
set
too
this
for
up?
smaller files.
So this was when the weather changes, it's supposed to fire on clients. How do I handle remotes or remote events? Okay. I should handle that in the player class.
Yeah, that's why. It's 'cause
Clients.
I'm grounded, and then it doesn't.
You're grounded?
That's annoying. No, the floor material. The floor material isn't air when I'm in the air, and that's the problem.
Oh.
So I'm setting the downwards force to like 500 studs per second, and I'm still bouncing on a slope.
Or what if
Man,
it's
I
too much
love.
force?
Oh, and I got
And then it's
one
running off
for
the
you.
road.
It's because I negate it as soon as humanoid's floor material is not equal to air.
Oh, Jack, try this shit on your stairs. Wait, hold up.
Oh, what is this? Roblox.
So yeah, I made the stair function. That's just generate out of wedges. In Java.
Raw XD.
I don't fucking know what to do here,
That's
bro.
it. It's
Shit.
literally that simple.
Wait, what does it do?
So
Create a staircase out of a triangle, like out of wedges.
That's
Right.
sick.
I mean, it's pretty useful
Um,
because you can see those ugly ass builders just like placing his shit up, like one after
yeah.
another.
I'm gonna do
whether
that right now, but maybe
region
later.
handler, region class, move this all right here. Alright,
How to
so
fix this issue?
I should have this in the regions. If the type is underground, then weather changes should not affect it, but
Check
lighting
that.
changes should.
You can change the size of
So,
the stair wedges too.
alright,
So like that, it's always gonna deform itself relative to how does it look like.
so gonna have a fucking.
Oh my
How
god,
do I
sync
test
OS
this?
again. Fucking 7.7 gigabytes.
So everything above
I
ground
mean,
should be
it's even
uniform.
like
Alright,
perfectly lined up.
get neighboring regions. Fire array to the right, fire array to the left of the regions, and see what's there. If there's no region,
Okay, let's see. Close node. Spotify is generating.
if there's no region, keep the weather the same. Don't change it. I think that should be the
Speaking of
same.
which, I need to make sure that
Yeah. So if you
show local
fire array
files is
and
true.
the region returns nil, and you fire it or nil, right? Or
I want no.
yeah.
Yes.
So player class.
Okay, that's
Let's implement that idea first. So go into player class.
Oh my god, it's at 1600
Server
downloaded. And I
client.
need 4300.
Player class where it gives you the weather. So instead of making it the current player weather, just name it or self the last weather or because this is calling it like, I don't want to clear the weather. I want to get what the last weather was and just call that because if I get what the last weather was and call that, I already have a system set up. So if it's the same weather, don't change anything about it. Hmm.
Okay.
I don't want to just keep adding
I'm
random
honestly doing
variables to
something
this player
productive,
class
but I don't
because
know what to do.
I want to clean this up later on. Self.weather.last weather. Should I use a function? No, there's no need to use a function. A new function, just clear weather and the other weather types. Yeah, I would have to use. Alright, so self.player class.
Copy go.
Then what's the point of keeping track of the weather there if I'm gonna keep track of the weather here as well?
Is actually lagging PowerShell widget. What?
Whoa.
Self.weather.last weather.
Look at that. It's just copying files.
Self.weather
Is that thing still going, bro?
Yeah.
is
It was copying like
self.weather
7.7 gigabyte files to just the small ones.
weather.
And how many games do you have?
It's not even games.
I know, but like I heard
Self.weather
like you had like a certain
Oh
amount
no,
of
that's
games.
Steam games.
I know.
No, yeah, that's on a separate SSD. That's not copying or anything.
Self.weather
I got 400 gigabytes or just under
weather.
of Steam games.
Oh. Okay, I went
Yeah,
through the
look.
floor.
Self-taught weather,
Yeah,
that current
just
weather.
under 400 gigabytes for Steam library.
Jeez.
Yeah.
How
So
do
if
you
it's nil, don't
I'll
do
just
anything.
find your Steam library folder and just right click
Ah.
properties.
True.
Yeah.
So I'll need to
Otherwise, if you
explicitly
want the exact
say
amount, find the
it's
common folder and do that. 366 gigabytes.
so
It's still going.
it's rain,
Oh my god. No.
heavy snow.
No, what?
Attempt to call it nil value.
How is it still going? Ooh.
Self-taught weather.
No.
You know, oh, wait,
I
are
have
you sure?
912 gigabytes. That's my Steam library size.
Alright.
I've almost a terabyte of Steam games.
So weather info.
That's insane.
Folder and go to
Current
the
weather
common folder.
equals
Common folder.
clear.
Steam apps common. Yeah, do that one.
Clear weather.
That's the actual amount in game size.
Time you clear it.
My god.
And there's a
Do you have
clear
like
weather.
It's
Black Ops installed, Warframe installed?
Bro,
Open
all
up the
that's
folder.
installed, but not on Steam. Like,
Oh, no wonder. Okay, I see. Super sweet.
super sweet.
All the way down.
Super surrender.
Oh, sweet surrender. Oh, what is that, huh?
I don't know. It's some game I cracked.
Sweet surrender VR.
It's like a roguelike VR game. It's alright. I
Oh,
suggest
yeah, I
you
thought it was gonna
play
be like a
until you
fucking hint.
fall. Until you fall, wait, I don't have any of those.
Lies.
Bro, if I did, I'd be dead.
Did I say Godot? Or am I
Godot.
just tripping?
No,
Godot.
you probably said yeah. No, Godot. I do have it installed on Steam.
Godot.
Godot. Sonic Mania? Why is it over here? Well, I just got Ultra Kill. Is this the actual? No, it's not. What about my Battle.net folder? No. Where's my Battle.net stuff stored then? Because that thing has Overwatch and what's it called? Warzone installed on it. This is this whole entire thing is dedicated to games.
Oh, no wonder.
1.4
What the fuck?
terabytes. Yeah.
Is that only the Steam library? Oh,
No, that's every game I have.
oh okay.
Oh, every
Well,
game
I have
installed.
one SSD just dedicated for Steam. Because now I have 2 hard drives and 2 SSDs, and then 1 external hard drive. So I have 5, 2.5, 3.5, 4.5 terabytes in total, including the external.
Damn.
Copy app.
Right. I don't know how to solve this issue.
Okay, good. Let's see.
To make it the new data or the current
Wait, you made a
data.
vector 3.0? What?
What?
Yeah, M Y axis, N X axis, and Z axis. It's so helpful.
Since when?
Since always. Actually, I don't know. Like I stumbled upon it when I was looking at the Dev API.
Holy shit.
Class, fuck.
Yeah, dude, that's like brand new. It's at the very top.
And they got Vector 3.1. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Wait, Vector 3.1. What does that do?
It returns a vector 3 with all parameters being 1.
Oh. How's that useful?
Why would they do that?
Oh, what?
That's kinda
you can get the maximum min values of
Oh,
two vector
shit.
threes. That's sick.
Wait, yo. Wait, look what. Hey.
Oh, that's so cool. It compares against every single value, and okay, that's helpful.
Oh my god. What the fuck? That's
So
That's
so
look at this,
useful.
Spook. Look at my screen. Look, instead of doing what I did above, I can do this. Self dot velocity colon min module dot max speed. There we go. Done.
So what does that do? It makes the velocity the
So it
minimum.
basically just clamps it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's like a
clamps it,
clamping.
but it takes the for like every single value, it takes the value that's lower.
Oh, so it compares the two vector threes and takes the one that's lower every time.
Yeah, and you can also do the same for there's a max one as well. Apparently, you can take more than one parameter as well. That's sick.
So you can put it in a table? Wait. How would you take more than one parameter?
This comma.
That's
Oh.
actually useful. I'm about to use that
Actually,
right now.
you can
Holy
multiply vector threes yet?
Yeah, you can. You could always.
Oh my god, yes.
Why would you?
You can multiply. You can multiply by numbers as well, and divide by numbers.
Yeah,
as well as
that's always been a thing. It's just you couldn't multiply vector threes.
You could always multiply vector threes. What do you mean?
That gave an error every time I try to do that.
You guys are just bad.
Wait, what?
Skill issue, I guess.
Where's the
What?
Oh, they don't have the fucking logs here of when it was changed or added. Let's see, piano.
Oh, now I can do this. That's sick.
Man. I gotta turn my mic down real quick, cause shit. I don't know what kind of audio getting passed through.
Takes the minimum value, so if it's yeah, so go below, and then if it was below that, then it'd go above. Okay, that works.
House Catastrophe. I haven't heard that name in a while, bro.
That made my life so much.
I don't remember who Pedro is, but I remember the house, actually.
It's not even showing me what I want. What?
Wait, Spook, how do you set up your chat shit, bro, in your streams? Where you can read people's chat without actually tabbing out?
I have 3 screens.
Oh. Yeah.
Well, what you can do is have OBS watch a window rather than watching your whole screen.
Oh. Wait, how do I do that? Just watch the Roblox Studios.
Yeah, look at my screen share. Oh, I'm gonna have to do this. Can I not do this yet? Oh my god. Hold on, let me just quickly.
Oh, I remember you. Oh shit. I think. Shit, I'm sorry, man, if I don't remember you. Like, I don't know Pedro. I knew a lot of Pedros in Rogue. I remember House Catastrophe, though.
Materials, you go. Raycast.
God damn it. Hold on, I need to wait for OBS to do this.
Bro, why do you need so many drives? Like, come on now. It's fucking overkill.
Okay, so right here you have window capture.
Can you capture the sound coming from one window? Like,
and that way, even if I'm moving it, it's still
I
can't
forgot.
see
I
behind it, which would be my screen.
Yeah, but like, can you capture only the sound coming from one window?
Other sound would
Yeah.
you can pick it up here.
but like I don't want other sounds getting picked up, like other like
In that case, you might want to look at like uh voice meter, because then you can what you can do is have the Roblox audio go to the voice meter input, then you can
yeah.
listen to voice meter output through
Oh,
system audio, and then you can go add new input capture, and you put the voice meter here,
oh, oh. All
and that
right,
way you can turn off desktop audio and just have your input capture here
all
with your
right.
microphone.
Do that real quick. Switch to window capture. Roblox.
Oh, that's so much more accurate. Let's go.
I don't have like any of these. I don't. I think I only had like that. Anyways.
It doesn't show the entire Roblox screen. It just shows like the script. Yeah,
It's that. Yeah, I forgot about that.
it's this tough.
Oh, here we go.
Oh well.
Does it bounce, Spook? Does it bounce? That is the question.
Uh,
Let's go. Oh, never mind. It bounces.
I remember about this, bro. I
You
remember about
baited.
this.
Damn.
Let me turn my display capture back
What's
on.
happening there? Boing. Why is it bouncy?
There you go. It's back on now. I remember. I remember
I
Brotus.
love physics. Physics are my favorite.
How you been, bro? You still play Rogue?
Especially when you try and integrate them into an already existent physics engine.
Wait,
So
why
where's
is it
flying
showing?
now?
Show live chat. There we go. Alright. Back on this shit now.
What?
So, yeah. So it starts out as clear weather. When it passes over here,
Oh, there we go. Okay. What's happening there?
There we go.
for class, have it print what it's sending over.
OBS is set up. What else did
Print
I miss?
current weather.
I think I got everything now, which is good.
Let's see.
I think we just set this to 0.
Actually, I should probably test Visual Studio. Make sure it's working.
So basically to vector 3.0. Actually, no.
So it's passing over heavy
Velocity
snow.
times vector 3.
Alright.
And
So when I leave, what is it passing over now? Clear weather. Why is it passing clear weather? Why is it passing clear weather instead of heavy snow?
Wait, what?
Current region info, current weather.
Oh, I know it's this one. I know one.
Current weather.
okay, so it bounces now.
Wait, 232.
Current weather.
221.
Prints this and
Wait, what?
it's
Oh, these are different.
prints self dot weather dot current weather. So because current weather should be
Oh,
before it
wait.
passes the
Oh
weather.
my god, I forgot I changed it. Oh my god. Okay. That's annoying. Oh, well, I only lost like nothing. So.
Let's see, let's
This
see.
code is so much cleaner.
So it should
Welcome to
print.
Roblox.
It's rain, clear
It's
weather.
free.
Yeah, that was the last weather.
Free.
Now it's attempt to index nil with current weather. Current region
Is that
info.
gonna build? And is that gonna work?
Self dot weather or is it
Gotta
self
test
dot
it.
current region info? It's self dot
Uh-huh. Fucking knew it wasn't gonna work.
Alright, I've gotta add the full and self dot current. Uh, shit. Man, the fun part of scripting this is over, and now it's just fine tuning and finding tiny little bugs and fixing them. All the systems and shit are there already.
Well, I really hope this lets me download the files back.
Alright, Clearweather, Neil, Clearweather. Why is the current region info current weather Clearweather?
Negative power and 0.
Is there something clearing the weather before I can turn the function? Oh wait, is this self.current weather or is this self.clear weather?
It shouldn't be going up, it should only be going down.
Yeah, it's current weather, yeah. So it's not running the function. Well, why the fuck is it doing this? Gotta close the server region there real quick to organize myself. Close this. Close this. Alright, so the region's current weather, none of them are clear.
Alright, so it's no longer sliding.
I have to add the print every time this clear weather shit is called.
Oh.
Print clearing weather. So when I leave, right, it should change it, right? When I have a new weather, that's the first thing it says. If self.current
If I
weather
try that
return it.
again,
Make it heavy wet, make it current slow. Oh, alright. Instead of doing this, I should have done this after this. See, it's shit like this, bro. Like, I don't know what past me was thinking. So I've got to set it after I set the weather to clear weather. And I did all of that without
there we
fucking...
go.
Oh wait, it worked. Alright. So let's commit all of this. I don't like having uncommitted shit.
Well, now it just don't work.
There we go, publish. So now, if I'm in a zone, not really. I've just been making random builds in my spare time though. But I just wanted to come see how you're doing. I got a dip since I got a team workout in the morning. Alright, man. I don't know if you're still here, but shout out to you, I guess. So now if I hit this, it's snowing, yeah. And if I leave the region, it should keep snowing until I get into another region that has a different weather. Like this, whatever this is. What's this? Clear weather?
Why do that?
This
Why
is rain.
bounce?
Alright, now I need to set up the
The
lightning.
PowerShell is still going. Oh
The heavy rain plus lighting
it's at 69% for 14 gig.
needs to
13
be
gigabyte
higher
file.
than this at least. Right, like no matter how far I look around, there's no way to tell that it's coming up from a
I
source.
need
Not
to go around and
like looking up is gonna.
delete some shit. Uninstall.
Alright, yeah, I gotta make that shit invisible to clear. See how immersive it is. See if I need to change some things. Client, weather, heavy snow. Make all the nodes. Why does this have multiple primary parts? Wait a minute. I fucked up.
Foreman's separate.
All of this. This primary part should be the only one. This and this should all be named. Weather nodes. Lag. PC dying. Hello. Quality. I'm gonna switch this to 14. Oh, damn, that's dirty.
Bro, I don't even touch the y-axis. Oh man.
What's taking up all my shit, bro? What's causing this lag? Big Q, go into full performance mode. My GPU is getting maxed out for some reason. Is it because I'm streaming? I'm streaming on Discord and on here. I gotta stop streaming on Discord. It's messing with my stream.
If it's below, yeah, no, gravity stops being applied, and it's still
There we
going with
go.
downwards force, but it shouldn't be. Oh my
Still
god.
fucking spiking. What's causing all the spikes? It like goes up by a few shits every few seconds. That shit's hot as hell actually. 70 degrees. CPU. That's why I feel your uptime. 276 processors. Bro, how do I know which of these
So that's the
processes are
negative, and then it does.
anywhere? What's the notification? Is it OBS, please? I'm trying to figure out like what's causing this lag. Alright, back to this. This should be named weather node. Primary part should be this. Always. Properties, primary part, primary part. Alright.
Is it because gravity isn't being applied? But like, what's giving it?
Alright. Heavy snow nodes. Delete that. Workspace. There's something here that's causing the rain. It's around here somewhere. Like, there's rain nodes. Drop impact, maybe. Yeah, something here isn't like fucking. Hold on. Alright, let's see how immersive this is. How long have I been streaming for? An hour. That's cool. Did I fucking leak my address?
Why was I seeping into the floor?
Oh, I'm good. This is the general thing.
The dog's like, please don't be mad.
I hear a car. It's like, that's somebody new to me.
Uh-oh.
Something
Wrong.
weird going on. Rain called. I gotta look all the way up while I'm calling the snow. I forgot to make them transparent. Like,
What, so now it doesn't do it for no reason? Now it just don't bounce? Hello?
and probably make a dev log of this weather system. Like I built a render system in Roblox. Here's how it
Oh
went.
my god, I need Visual Studio 2019.
Yeah. Like,
I guess it works now.
yeah, I gotta make these transparent.
Imagine.
And you get older versions of VS. That is really nice.
It should be on the
Visual
website.
Studio 2019.
Boom, weather. Some nice cool little snow.
2019.
Still gonna be weather. So you can't notice it after like the first few seconds.
That's the function.
But like the
Set
first
warp speed. Okay, here we go.
those first few seconds of it like starting is where it gets me. Like the rain is good. Just
Hello, dog.
that.
What are you doing, buddy? Hello.
Alright. Let's set up the randomized X and Y value movements.
Why do you want more details? I just want to fucking download Visual Studio, the older version.
Whether
Visual Studio 2019.
Traveling rain get the center. That's for rain. Oh no. For heavy snow, cloud,
Get the community edition? What?
and no equals true. Cloud get descendants do. Here V is parent of. Is that a thing? Is parent of? Roblox is parent of. And yo, you know how there's like you can check if something is the descendant of something. Is there a way to check if it's a parent of something? Like,
Just do if find first child.
oh yeah.
Oh, you can do find ancestor. Also.
Is there find descendant?
Find, I don't know, find first child, which is a particle emitter. That works, right?
Yeah. Find first child of class, particle emitter.
Emitter.
Okay, there we go. So I want
Particle
.NET environment.
emitter. Then B the position
change. I want
equals vector 3 does equals 3
omega noob.
tune plus vector 3 the new
Omega noob.
curl set V the position the Y curl set.
Noob. Does that sound like the N word to you? Bruh. Actually, code of yes code extension. Hell yeah.
Should you should always be updating the position every frame, no matter if they're indoors or outdoors. So if they're outdoors, set their emitters to false. If they're indoors, set their emitters to false. If they're outdoors, set it to true. And randomize their position by native.
What am I gonna do about that? What am I gonna do about that?
Math random native 10 10.
What do you want, dog?
So it's a random of a random. I don't know if this is optimal or not, but it looks cool, so I'm gonna just do it real quick. Math.random 10 10. So it's 10 studs around the player randomly. It should jitter it up and, you know,
is that right?
make it look less uniform and more random, like it's falling from random places. Let's see, and Position is not a valid member of weather.cloud weather node.
Just loves
What's
TV. Okay.
fuck you mean position is not a valid part of the part? What? Uh, that position. So do I have to use the longer version, bro? V.C frame. That position. Like, do I really have to do this? If V is a part and V that. Yeah, position, right? Did I spell position wrong? No. What the fuck is going on? I'm seeing some performance drops, I think. Script performance, activity should be 0 at most times.
Position plus camera dot.
Position cannot be assigned to what's B.C frame? If B is a part, right? Get descendants. What the hell is going on, bro? That just my brain just turned off. Oh wait.
Oh, but that wouldn't work.
Current offsets.
Oh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My brothers, are you fasting?
Wait, who's talking? I'm sorry, like no disrespect to you, man, but you're loud, so please can you chill? Thanks.
Bro, I am a Muslim. How the fuck am I disrespecting my own religion?
No, I said no disrespect to you, but you're loud right now, so. Alright.
Lean, shut the fuck up, bro. You're so fucking annoying, dude.
I mean, it's just an easy fix. Just quick mute.
Yeah, exactly. Bro.
Fuck you mean?
That's so funny.
So its position should be its position.
This is annoying.
That position. What the hell is supposed to be here then? So you're looping through. I'm looping through the clouds. Get descendants. Cloud is this, right? So you're looping through that,
Go to unibrow.
and you're checking if it's a cloud.
Oh, these kids think I'm black.
I'm having this weird ass error, but it's not taking up parts position.
This is seriously. Oh my god.
Oh, I finally hit the Unity assets folder. Oh, it's gonna fucking destroy that. I gotta go.
Oh, you're still reinstalling your shit?
Oh, this is just copying files from my external hard drive.
Bro. Let me see. I
Like,
doubt
holy
anyone's
shit, there's
watching
so much
this.
stuff there.
Yep.
I have Visual Studio Community 2017 installed now. And now I can install 4-man.
MV fine for child of class, primary particle emitter, then print VDAP position. Let's see if this works. Cause Roblox be weird sometimes, man. Like,
what
you mean you can't set position?
Visual C++. Oh.
So
Nice.
it's giving me the position of the
Visual
part
Studio install.
right now. The hell is
Enable
going on?
C++. Extension.
Damn.
Modify. C
Hey.
sharp, C++ toolset.
VDAP position was VDAP position plus vector 3 dot new. Current offsets. VDAP position.
Oh my god, that's another 4 gigabytes I gotta download.
Current offset. Oh, I think the problem was I
Instead
put
of
VDAP
fucking
position instead of
50
VDAP
gigs.
position at Y. That might have been the issue in the first place. I don't know. Why is this so large? Close this shit up. Yeah, hopefully this works. It's just a small, tiny thing, but like, not even sure if I'm gonna keep it in final. It looks more spread out now, but like, guess it's moving too much. Yeah, I've gotta increase the. Is it even following me? Yeah, it
Oh
is.
shit, it's nearly done. Fuck yeah.
Instead of moving it 10
It's like-
studs away,
How much left?
how about
Like 2
5
gigabytes
studs?
left to copy.
Also gotta bring down the snow real quick. Sorry my mic has been. I ordered a new mic. It should be coming in tomorrow for better video quality. I want to actually do YouTube seriously for a bit. Just for fun. Alright. 5 studs on the X and the Y axis. Yeah, it's changing too much. It's not staying in one place. Let's say 2 studs vibrate around its origin. Or,
Jesus, that fucking scared me.
I know. Scared me. He's annoying like that. He'll just randomly bark for like absolutely no reason.
alright, let's see what it looks like without the shit, right? But I think I forgot what it looks like. I don't think I should keep it. Shit.
Well, that's pretty cool, Rudolph.
Let me play my music back.
Doing Firebase. Yum yum.
Like that. I know, thanks. Yeah, this is way better. Like, actually.
Why is it still sliding, man?
Like, this is actually way better.
Oh, true. I do want it too.
Wait, is that everything? Oh shit. It's pretty much done. I just need to copy this music. Wait, where'd it copy to? Why is that hidden? What?
Trying to find some edge cases where I'll need to fix some bugs.
Hey, there we go. I'm just gonna format that.
I have to do this setlist as well.
Easy clap. Let's go. Right. Just wait for these last things now.
This is such a pain, man. It doesn't even work.
One has 2,000.
Alright. I gotta fucking.
I'm gonna go now. See you guys later.
Alright, man. Alright. Are remote functions any less secure than remote events?
No, they're like the exact same thing,
Alright.
except right function to invoke, so you must return.
Alright. Because I kind of like using remote functions better now. More.
Yeah, so generally you should use it apart from invoke client.
Yeah.
Unless you're doing like a loading screen or something.
Oh, I'm using it to do client effects and then only change the data if the client successfully ran the effect. So
yeah.
Actually, nah. Yeah, nah, I'll just tell the client to play the effect. I don't need a return back. Player.
Just fire all clients and then just compensate for lag.
Yeah.
Now look at ping times.
I mean, I'm not using it for like fighting effects. It's just for weather systems and lighting changes.
Oh, okay.
DJ class on weather change. Uh, Region class should be a server thing. Should not be accessible by the client. Client. This is region class. Region handler will be This is region handlers and firing 10 clients. This should be servers as well, server side. Right now, this needs to be region data manager. Region manager should be in server modules. And region class should be in classes. Info management, this should be shared region manager. Shared region manager. We require shared server. The modules. The region handler. Region handler should the class. The class shared. That server. The classes. That region class. Alright, so once all the regions are built, now do I want to do it so server take should have server class just go crazy on all the classes, have a server class run a while loop for the take, and then have everything else. No. Yeah. So every take fires all the modules that need the loop that are requesting it. No, that's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. Cause I'm gonna have multiple stuff that needs random timings. So while we map that random so let's say this region handler every 10 minutes it picks a random region and changes its weather, and when that runs the on weather change, actually every 5 minutes because there will be multiple regions. So every 5 minutes, actually balancing can come later. Yeah, because we're gonna have stuff like probably gonna be skills that would need to like change the weather. Cloud progression as well. You gotta tune that. Right. Terrain, like clouds. Twin it to its presets. Yeah. Oh, everyone left anyways. Gotta just find a new VC to join. And no one's even watching the stream anyways. This one's,
The stats are so fucking tiny.
oh shit, that's loud. What's up, y'all?
You can get carried in the game though. You can have your friends carry you and get you awesome gear really easily.
Oh
Except
shit.
I'm not good at the game yet, so I can't.
Oh shit, mocaps and VC.
I mean, are you like? Just do it whenever you can, but like, I really want you to do it whenever you can.
What's good, mocap?
It's good.
Oh, wait, is $100 too little for that?
I got no clue. I actually would prefer to get paid in Robux because I got no PayPal or shit like that. Still.
Sure, I got no Robux.
What you trying to hire him for, bro? Let me steal his client real quick.
Top secret stuff, bro.
Top secret bullshit, bro. Oh yeah, and I made stairs.
The stairs system though is so fire, bro.
You made stairs?
He's made me like a stair system, and it's like non-destructive also.
On your stair system, Baruch.
How you get that math, bro? Like, this man's a wizard. Actual wizard, bro. All right, how do you? Does it run for any type of slopes or just that specific wedge?
No, no, it runs to every type of slopes. That's why it's so fire. Like even in that size or whatever size.
All right, run it real quick.
Yeah,
Oh, that's sick.
Or
yeah.
can I ask something? If you click Control C, wait, it's too big for Discord. It's only 60 lines.
Huh.
Look at that. Click Control C. How is it?
I know.
It's
It's the same.
Dude,
explain to us how you got it, bro.
it's not
Like,
because it's too heavy for this to
It
lift your
works so
shit.
fine, bro. I ain't gonna lie with you.
mocap, explain to us
Wait, just
your
send this file
thinking.
then. I'll just copy it.
I wanted
Copy
to
and
make
paste
it
the
a
code
plugin,
and
you
that's
know
it.
what?
No, you don't need to make it a plugin. You can send it through. It says upload file. I really want it, man. It's good.
You want it, but the problem is it's gonna be hard for you to explain how to use it, and I will need you to go over
Holy
it like involved.
Oh,
Why would it be hard
actually,
for me to use it?
because you gotta explain how the script works, or you're just gonna be copying and pasting it for everything.
I was
Mocap,
just thinking about
how does the
I was just
script work?
thinking about situations like that. You know, when you want to make it a square like that, you
Yeah.
just keep make it grow in these type of situations. You
Oh,
know,
so it goes straight.
like that, for example.
You can use a group. You can group them, make sure like you
I
have.
know I can select them three, but the problem is here the thing. We found out that the second one were and stop because I
Uh,
said I return like a piece of shit instead of a continue. Right? Yeah, I'm dumb.
continue.
I mean, if you could make that a
Because
plugin, that would be
continue,
very good, bro.
Wait,
now
continues.
if I continue, it's just gonna skip those parts.
Oh,
However, I want those parts to help out in this case, right? And merge in here.
It doesn't
No, no, no.
matter
What
that.
if you have other like slopes in the game besides that slope? What if you're using like on a specific spot and not like you're not trying to make it as a stair? Like, does it affect the part too?
No, it's for now. It just affect on what I want to select. Like I select that one, press
Oh,
enter,
okay, okay,
and boom.
okay.
I can actually use a condition group to filter the other, or
Yeah, you can
because
filter
those
the
are
others
equivalent
too. It works.
folders, so I could just do for loop and iterate for the folders itself instead.
why don't
So
you
if
add it?
you just
Add a check if it's a square, then do a different algorithm, and then
local
have it so in the script you can put like what side you want the stairs on.
angle function, let's see,
So
create
Chewy,
angles.
Uh huh.
Not yet, not yet.
script.
Yeah.
Farouk, is he not a script as good as you?
I'm not as good as mocap. I don't think anyone's as good as mocap, bro.
Trying to make a car system, Mr. Two?
How
A
do you
car
how
system?
do you get like how's their
You know what
dynamic
I
and
mean?
like programming
I want to
goodness?
hire him.
I mean,
You
there's.
actually
I
just
think being a little
calculate
bit
this bullshit
more
like this, bruh.
experienced or having a little bit more knowledge in math, I
Do
mean,
you
that really
do you see his script, bro?
Experience and knowledge in math, you can say.
And like
yeah, I
your
mean, not
problem
like
solving
advanced math
skills.
to be honest.
But
Yeah,
it
it
depends on
is.
your experience. If you're more
The basic
experienced in one
foundation
genre
math.
or maybe more
Create
experienced in another
handles for
type
the
of.
It's basically what you know and how you use what you know and problem solving.
How good are you? Yeah, I guess. How good are you at logic?
Logic, I mean, if
So
I
what
can
about the
visualize
next
it,
one?
I'm pretty
Yeah, once
decent.
you
Like,
actually know and understand,
What
then
is happening?
ooh, how
So
efficient
let's
are you?
just think it
How
through.
efficient? I guess that's the
Like,
more appropriate answer. Is how efficient are you? I guess that's that makes you a little better.
I'm not really that efficient,
use
I
it.
guess.
Just
I
managing
can't
your
I
time
can't
and
just
stuff like
crank
that.
out a whole stair
Guys.
generating algorithm in 5 minutes.
It wasn't in 5 minutes.
How long did you work on this for, mocap?
Minutes.
About what?
The stair generation.
20 minutes.
I mean, it's not 5 minutes, but it's still insane.
Yeah, no.
Oh, where I've been. So I'm
Farouk,
just
look at where it's
kind of go.
meeting, dude.
Hmm?
Look at the corner of where it's meeting. You know what you could do? You could make it so whenever there's two wedges that are like close to each other, it like somehow it generates like a cylinder, so it looks like it's connecting somehow. I don't know.
That'll look
I mean, it could work nicely,
I
but
think that
the
would look
problem,
horrible.
but what I'm trying to do is just cover also this type of situations. Okay, when the staircase wanna be splitting towards other directions.
What do you mean? What's
Okay,
wrong with it?
so you could tell. Let me just run it through. So you could tell that any edge like that needs to just to have one support in the middle, right?
Yeah.
And have it goes from here towards here.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is
And
you can make it so.
any of those are gonna be the same. But however, a place that doesn't have any collision in between of them, in between of two, it's just gonna go and be a straight line.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you're connecting the what's it?
Edges.
Rails, the railings. You can
You know,
try to
you know
connect the
what you
railings
could use?
via corners.
Baruch. No. You
Okay,
could
so
make it so there's a cylinder and it's a big beam, one
no,
cylinder.
that'll look bad.
That's what I mean, bro.
You could raycast through all the selected items.
I'm not using Raycast. I want just you. But the problem is, if I'm gonna use Raycast in between of all of them, what in the case of that?
Uh,
Baruch, what if it's something
Because
like this? Am I saying?
think about it. I can Raycast from here to here, and I'm still gonna find it as collidable, like as an interactable. But what I wanna do is just take the part, right? I wanna take the part and find the size of it. Like
find the
make
edges.
the boundary. Yeah,
Yeah.
I want to increase the boundary with get parts in part. Get parts with boundary box, which is
Uh,
fine for a part. I want to increase the size of the part by the selected items that I have in here. Okay.
uh,
Select.
see, I wouldn't have thought of that at all. I would have just been looking on Google how to do this.
Baruch, you know what? Don't send it to me. Like, don't send it to anybody just yet. Just make it into a plugin and release it.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to say earlier. Like, if you were going to make a plugin out of it, it would be
What
better.
happened to your terrain generation, Mocap?
What?
Your terrain generation, your voxel terrain.
This shit is nothing. Everybody got this
Is that
shit now.
Mike? Terrain generator.
Terrain generator is
Yeah,
something that everybody can make nowadays, bro.
but
What's the
his
best
was
way of
fast
making a
though.
mini map?
Like his generation was like instant.
Yeah, I remember. It was using hype maps or what was it doing? By the way,
It was
Baruch,
he was using the noise function, right?
Yeah,
what's the
noise
best way of
function.
oh, shit. What's the best way of making a mini map?
A mini map?
I've been
Uh,
asking this question myself, bro.
just I mean it's gonna be performance intensive my way. Or it depends on to what level of mini map you want, like oh shit, I'm still streaming on YouTube. Let me turn this shit off.